This is a weather reporter. A special reporter has been arrived for your.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Affected area: the central and southern Wasatch Front including Salt Lake City. Snow accumulations, total amounts of 6 to 12 inches are expected through Wednesday morning. Timing: snow will develop this evening, becoming heavy at times overnight into Tuesday morning. The snow will gradually taper off during day Tuesday. Additional heavy snowfall can be expected south and southeast of both the Great Salt Lake and Utah Lake Tuesday night into Tuesday morning. Impacts: winter weather conditions will make travel difficult between Monday night and Tuesday morning. All area roadways will be impacted. A winter storm warning means significant accumulations of snow are expected. Driving conditions can be hazardous. Use caution. Keep winter survival kit in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
What's up with Tom? This is the newest letter. Yeah.